I was sent to the Venango County Airport to do a nice, quiet story about this weekend's air show. But things turned ugly when reporter Brian Sheridan picked a fight. So, as any self-respecting reporter would, I challenged him to a dogfight. Team America pilot Barney Register got us ready.
Kimberly, are you a pilot? Have you done any flying before?
Never had.
If I give the bell out order, do not wait for me. It's not a joke. I'll see you on the ground.
You've never lost a reporter.
Not
You've
yet.
never had any...
It's real simple. Pull back to go up.
Back up.
Forward is down. Left is a left turn. Right's a right turn.
After that intense training session, we headed for our F-260s and readied for battle. Good luck. Not really. Pilot John Barry was at my side to help me remember some very complicated flying techniques.
Okay. Remember left and right, up and down. Okay. Okay. Go up.
Brian was careless, and I moved in for the kill.
Now, go get him. Slowly pull the nose up. Get behind him. Start shooting. Shoot. Shoot. Got him! I got him! Kill, kill, kill. Kill! Kill, kill, kill. All right. Good job. Good job. All right.
After the battle of victory formation and after the landing, a newfound career.
Changing professions, joining Team America.
I'm giving up this job. I'm a pilot. In this dog-eat-dog world, I showed Brian Sheridan, who was the top dog. Kim Young, Newswatch 35.
What's that on your check?
Dribble.
Maestro Eiji Owe will live on in infamy long after his departure next week. Erie Mayor Joyce Savacchio today honored the energetic conductor with his very own street.
There is an item agenda which appears on this week's council agenda, which will rename a particular stretch of street for this gentleman. It will become known as AGOA Way.
The maestro was humbled by the gesture.
I called my mother. I woke her up and said, "Did you know I have a street name after me?" She said, "AG, be nice to Erie."
This is the section of 9th Street the city plans to rename in honor of Maestro Eiji Owe. The problem is, will city residents be able to pronounce it?
EGU Way?
EJ one way?
Huh?
No way.
IG Way? You almost had it.
EJ Ukui Y.
OJOE.
That's even better.
EGOA Way.
The maestro himself makes it look, oh, so easy.
AGOA Way, AGOA Way, and AGOA Way.
Maestro Eiji Owe may leave our city, but his street, Eiji Owe Way, will keep his memory alive. Kim Young, Newswatch 35, First Light.